Rob, welcome to Floor Talk. It's great to have you on the show.
Thank you very much.
So Rob, you are the 11th CEO in Hecla's 133-year history, and you're actually 2 weeks in. You are ringing the closing bell today. Tell me, what appealed to you to take over the CEO position?
Well, firstly, this is a real honour, and what I found truly appealing was Hecla's legacy of being a leader in the silver mining space, a really incredible portfolio of assets, and a deep-rooted culture of innovation. So, for example, the underhand closed bench mining method, which was developed at Lucky Friday, that's really testament to that spirit of innovation, let's say. That not only improved safety, which is a core value at our company, but it really significantly boosted production. The other thing I would say is that the commitment to continuous improvement, that extends from everything from community to ESG in general to environmental stewardship, and they're things that I deeply care about. Above all, it's really the talented and the dedicated people at Hecla that really is driving forward the company's success.
Now, what strategic direction would Hecla take under your leadership, and what will be some of your key priorities for Hecla?
As the largest silver producer in Canada and the United States, Hecla really boasts a very high-grade silver portfolio with long reserve mine lives, underpinned by our flagship mines at Lucky Friday and Greens Creek. And so our strategic direction is really going to focus on maximising the value of our really extensive portfolio, and that includes finding a measured pathway to optimising production and profitability at our Keno Hill mine in the Yukon. So there we need to make some investments in some critical infrastructure, foster strong relationships with the First Nations of Nacho Nyack Dun, and really set Keno Hill up for a platform to be a very successful operation, and turning it around like we did at Lucky Friday in the recent past to make it another cornerstone asset. Of course, we're going to focus more on generating cash flow as opposed to focusing solely on production maximisation.
So mining is up 29% this year. It's reached its all-time high since 2012. What are your thoughts about silver and the future of silver demand?
I find silver really fascinating actually, because it's not only a store of monetary value like gold is, it also has industrial use. It's got the highest conductivity and the lowest resistivity. And if you have a look at on the supply side, production's been fairly flat over the last decade, around about 1 billion ounces. On the demand side, however, this is where it gets interesting. Demand this year is set to increase by about 4.5%, so an extra 200 million ounce deficit, which is mirroring what happened last year. And in fact, for the last 4 consecutive quarters, there's been a deficit. And the Silver Institute, they're predicting that this deficit is going to continue for the foreseeable future. And so consequently, we're quite bullish on the outlook for silver.
All right, well, Rob, congratulations on becoming CEO at Hecla Mining, and thank you for joining me on Floor Talk today.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.